Mullen Automotive is done. The Mullenization is over. Say goodbye. Because it announced plans to change its name to Bollinger Innovations and update its stock symbol to BINI, BINI, on the NASDAQ. The effective date for the change is yet to be determined, but it's expected before August 15, 2025. Operations are going to be consolidated with its subsidiary Bollinger Motors, centralizing commercial vehicle operations in Oak Park, Michigan, and combining sales, marketing, and service divisions under the Bollinger brand. This move is expected to eliminate duplicative functions, focus resources on core offerings in Class 1, 3, and 4 electric commercial vehicles, and reduce operating expenses by at least $35 million annually. The company has reduced its workforce by 155 positions since January and expects to cut operating expenses. Executives emphasize the consolidation will drive products into the market while being fiscally responsible under one unified brand. CEO David Mickery stated the changes are essential for scaling toward profitability. What the good CEO failed to mention is that, with this rebranding, it's only a matter of time before there will be plays on the Bollinger name and references to Bollinger Bands on its stock chart.